The difference between a good scratcher and a great scratcher is the ghost effect. Add these 3 blocks to your game right now to see an improvement. The first one is the set color effect. Click the drop down, click ghost. Then the change color effect, click the drop down, select ghost. When you set the ghost effect to 100, the sprite will go see-through. Its ghost effect is 100%. If you set it to 0, it will show it completely, no ghost effect. What you want to do is change the ghost effect gradually by using the repeat block. So if we repeat 10 times 10, you get 100%. 10 times 10, no duh, right? So we're changing the ghost effect, so if we click on this, it will fade it out. Then to undo it, you just reverse it. You do -10, so 10 times -10, which is 100. But you see how nice and gradually it fades in? So go ahead and add this coding block. You could say set ghost effect to 0, and then change it to this, and then put a starting thing on here and run it. Now you have a really cool way to disappear or reappear your sprite.